Another More Than Manufacturing interview. I am your host, Joe Greenberg, and with me today is
Shayla Shenkenberg.
And where do you work?
I work at Mitotec.
What a coincidence, so do I. So, what do you like working at Mitotec for?
I like the work environment. I like the people that I work with.
Heck yeah, I know the feeling. Not gonna lie, I know the feeling. So what's your favorite part of the job?
Probably my favorite part of the job would be like gauging, inspecting the quality part. I like to be organized.
Some might even say thorough. Hell yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That's one of our core values here in Mitotec. Speaking of core values, actually no, we'll come back to that.